Yeah, hi, Royce here, and today we're going to take you inside of Nardoni's Pizza, right here in Atascadero. This is the very best pizza I've ever had in my entire life. I've never found anything like it. Nardoni's Pizza, right here on El Camino Real in Atascadero. Alright, just stepped inside Nardoni's. Nice little bar here. Nardoni's. Best pizza in the world as far as I'm concerned. Alright, we need a beer bad. So what's on draft here? Red Trolley Ale. Well, I think we're going with the tried and true 805. 805, baby. That's what we're doing here. Little peek in the back room here. All right, the pizza. The beer and the wine have arrived. Absolutely perfect. Oh, there it is. That is just insane. Look at how thick that is. Nardoni's Pizza, real Italian style pizza. Oh my God. Pepperoni and linguica. And lots of cheese. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is just... Thank you, Betty. My wife's taking care of me here. Look at that cheese. Oh my God. Oh, look at how thick that is. Oh no, you dropped it. It's okay. Oh my God. Here, turn this so I can see how thick the pizza is. I'll turn it. Look at that. Oh my God. That's pizza, baby. Nardoni's. All right, we're going to turn this off and eat for a bit here. Well, we put a pretty good dent in it. I think we're looking at lunch tomorrow. Nardoni's Pizza. The very best. And that's what's going on in Royce's world today. Thank you for watching.